Welcome to Early Bird Hostel Ayutthaya, your cozy retreat in the heart of Thailand's historic city. Nestled just 0.6 kilometers from the city center, this charming two-star hostel puts you within easy reach of Ayutthaya's famous temples and cultural attractions. With only 2 intimate rooms, you'll enjoy personalized attention and a peaceful atmosphere that feels like a home away from home. Recently renovated in 2021, the hostel blends modern comfort with warm hospitality. Check-in is available from 2 p.m., where you'll be greeted by friendly staff ready to assist with anything you need. Step outside into the lush garden oasis, a perfect spot to unwind after a day of exploring, surrounded by greenery and tranquility. Guests can start their mornings with a satisfying breakfast before heading out to discover Ayutthaya's wonders. Free Wi-Fi keeps you connected, while convenient parking ensures hassle-free arrivals. Whether you're traveling solo or with a companion, Early Bird Hostel Ayutthaya offers affordability without compromising comfort. Ready to book your stay? Scan the QR code on your screen for instant access to reservations. We look forward to welcoming you to this hidden gem in Ayutthaya.